Welcome back to my channel. My name is Blair. If you saw my previous video, you know I was on my trip for about a month and a half. Wasn't really a vacation, it was more of a leave of absence. I'll go home and take care of my mom. Unfortunately, I got a sinus infection and I just got home. So there's a lot of unpacking and things I need to get done around my house before I have to return to work. Biggest thing, I have 2 bags of food, snack items. Some were for my travels, some were things I can't get down here that I wanted from Michigan. So I want to start by clearing that out because I got to go pick up groceries, which you'll see in a grocery haul shortly. And then I'm going to go take care of getting groceries. But I want to get these unpacked and put away so I have space on the counter when I get home. Last thing before I gotta go get my groceries, I'm gonna put these coolers hopefully over there. So I took care of groceries as you saw, and I was just gonna sit down and watch church when I remembered I still haven't taken care of my bags in here, and I want this done because the entire month I was living out of a suitcase in my brother's room, and I just don't want my room to feel like that. I like it peaceful and calm. So we're gonna get the suitcase unloaded. I'm washing everything. It just needs to be done. And then I'm going to start a load of laundry, and I think that's where I'm going to call it for today. And then tomorrow I got to do some mowing and probably finish the laundry. But let's get started on this. I also bought a couple of pairs of shoes from Walmart when I was home that I thought would be nice for the fall, especially because I could wear these nonstop.
Someday never comes, road trips and shotgun, sunshine on my skin, smile is kicking in, vibes are in the air, jumping everywhere, endless nights, 'cause summer's on my mind. having good times, changing the station with it all.
Okay, so it's a couple days later. Yesterday I literally spent like 4 hours in the yard trying to get branches cleaned up and it mowed before we get hit with hurricane / tropical storm Debbie, which is supposed to hit today. So I really wanted to get like all the outdoor stuff done and then leave the indoor stuff for when it rained. So I can't get this hair to do anything right today. Anyway, so today I have 2 more loads of laundry I need to knock out. So I want to get started on running one of those. I have some Amazon boxes that need to be unpacked. One more tub in here that needs to be unloaded. And there's some packages in the spare bedroom that were things I ordered that I just hadn't opened yet from when I was in Michigan. And I might try to do that because I kind of want to get all the cardboard out of the house before it rains. So I think we're going to start with getting the laundry going. And then I'll start unboxing the Amazon stuff, which is nothing fabulous. It's basically like cleaning things, but I'll show you what I got. And we need to get the toilet paper put away too. So this first one's actually pretty easy because I already put everything in here because the other day I wanted my laundry basket to get the darks folded and put away. So we're just gonna shut this and go ahead and run this. Okay. And then this other one's gonna be real small, but there's dog stuff in it, so I don't like to wash a lot with it. So these are the boxes. Like I said, there's really nothing super spectacular in here, but I want to get the boxes out of the living room. So first thing, I just got one of those Clorox toilet wand kits for doing the toilets. I just want to switch this instead of the liquid stuff. And so anyway, that one's pretty simple. I'm not going to really unbox that yet until I'm ready to use it. Alright, so this one was a throwback of Febreze. It was like a spring limited edition. So there's like lilac, Georgia peach, and sweet watermelon vine. Figured this would be helpful just to spray around the house. I also need to spray my car for my trip because it just kind of smells a little funny in there. So I'm going to try to unpack this stuff as we go and break down boxes. Like I said, I'm trying to be efficient with my time because we only have a couple. I mean, I've been up since 5, but I was honestly taking it very slow. You know, had breakfast, edited a couple videos, and now we need to get all the work done before the rain and the storm hits. Oh, yeah, okay. So this is an electric like scrubber thing for cleaning showers in the house. I bought one when I was at my parents' to help them out and make it easier to clean tubs and showers. And I really liked it and I wanted to get one for myself. It just seems efficient and it'll be very helpful with like the grout in the bathroom. Oh, it's kind of buried in there. I'm not going to pull this out until I'm ready to use it. Okay, so another cleaning thing. I'll probably just put those 2 in the laundry room. Weekly planner, because I go back to work and I used up my other one right before I left. So, needed a fresh one, and I just use this to put like meetings, lunches, breaks, that kind of thing. It just makes it easier than having to glance at a million systems. And these went on sale and I really wanted them, but they're for groceries, reusable bags. I just thought this would be easier than the one that I have, that large canvas one that I use all the time, because I load it up with too much and then it's heavy. And I do need to be, you know, mindful of injuring my back. So I thought, well, maybe if I got a set of like smaller ones that are like a similar concept, that might be beneficial. But I guess if you're trying to put less in it, I just like that they can collapse so flat as well, which will make it easier to store them in the car. So these need to go outside of two. Let me tear this box apart. And then the last box, which I don't know if it's necessary to really open with you because it's literally just toilet paper. So these need to go in the laundry room as well, and I need to do a quick restock in the bathrooms. Alright, I got like 5 minutes on the washer before I gotta transfer. I want to get this unloaded though. That way I can put all this stuff away. I got this really cute mug I saw another YouTuber had from Target. I ordered while I was home. Alright, that's done. I still have like a minute on the washer. I think I'm gonna quickly vacuum. There's a few dead bugs I need to clean up. So I'm not gonna show you that, but I'm just gonna vacuum real quick.
Someday never comes, road trips and shotguns, sunshine on my skin, smile is kicking in, vibes are in the air, jumping everywhere, endless nights, 'cause summer's on my mind.
So now that that's all done, I think I'm gonna take a little break and just rest for a while. Probably just gonna keep an eye on the Weather Channel and where things are at, and probably watch some YouTube videos for a little while until I need to do more of the laundry. As you saw, I did prep up one of my dinners. The other one I'm gonna make tonight. It's just spaghetti and meatballs. So I'll make that for dinner tonight, and then I'll give me the rest of my meals for the week. The laundry is done after I put this load away, and everything is unpacked. So I feel like I'm back in a good place. I'm just gonna take some time, probably read a little bit of my book and watch some more TV and just relax. Give myself some rest before I go back to work. But I do hope you enjoyed watching me kind of get back on track after being away from home for an entire month. And as always, I hope everybody has a blessed day.